Hello, it's Nadra from Nadiskitchen. Today we are making my all-time favorite recipe, crunchy, healthy and super delicious granola. They are loaded with lots of nuts, seeds and dry fruits. I'm making granola at home is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yes, you just need to mix, bake and enjoy. So let's see how to make them. We'll start with 2 cups of rolled oats. Yes, you need rolled oats, not quick cooking oats. Then 1/3 cup of desiccated coconut, half cup of chopped almonds. If you want, you can use whole almond as well. 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. You can add your choice of nuts and seeds and add little more or less as per your preference. Then add in 1/4 cup of melted butter. You could also use coconut oil for more healthier version. And in goes 1/3 cup of honey. You would use maple syrup or any other liquid sweetener as well. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and combine them really well. This granola is moderately sweetened. If you want, you can add little more of honey. Now we need 1 egg white. This makes our granola a lot more crunchier. And add 1 teaspoon of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat really well until they are frothy and add them to the oats mixture. Give them a good mix. Now spread them evenly on a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until granola turns to light brown. You need to stir them in every 5 to 10 minutes, which helps granola bake evenly. Then take them out of oven and add in half cup of cranberry. You can use raisins, dried cherry or any other dry fruits of your choice. Then keep them aside to cool down completely. It gets crunchier when it cools down. Store them in an airtight container. Serve them as a breakfast cereal with some milk and fresh fruits. Or it's very delicious to simply munch on as a snack. They are perfect to serve as a parfait with yogurt, or I love them with sour cream or clotted cream. I used to top them with some fruit preserve. Those crunchy, creamy and tangy combination is so really good. Hope you're gonna try this recipe and let me know the feedback. Please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family if you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Until then, take care.